All right, in this video, we're going to talk about a specific charting pattern called the head and shoulders pattern. In this quick tutorial, we're going to go through the definition of a head and shoulders. We're going to go through how to identify it, how to chart it, and how to wait for confirmation of the pattern before entering a trade. So what is a head and shoulders pattern? Well, a head and shoulders pattern, it's a technical analysis pattern, and it's a specific chart formation that predicts a bullish to bearish trend reversal. So the head and shoulders pattern, once confirmed, is a bullish to bearish trend reversal pattern. So that stock has been bullish for a while, and this pattern, as it forms, is showing a reversal or a change in direction of that particular stock. Now, this pattern is going to appear as a baseline with three peaks, two that are going to be relatively close in height and one in the middle that's the highest. Now, it's never going to be perfect. It's never going to be symmetrical. Life doesn't work that way, right? So the patterns are always going to be a little bit off. But as you look for more and more head and shoulder patterns in your charting, you will start to be able to pick them up quicker and quicker and realize that, they will never be perfectly aligned. The head and shoulders pattern usually is considered to be one of the most reliable trend reversal patterns out there. But again, the key is that you wait for it to confirm, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. All right, let's take a look at the chart here, and let's look at how this is a head and shoulders pattern. So zooming out to the weekly, we go back to 2019 where the left shoulder was starting to form. So left shoulder formed around 2019, 2020. So that's your left shoulder, just like the left shoulder that you have. You go to 2021 to about 2022. The head has formed, right? So this is the head. And then you have the right shoulder, which has been forming right around November 2022 up to now. So you have your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. Now, being that this pattern has taken 2019, 2022, almost 4 years to form, this pattern is very strong. Now, with that being said, is the pattern confirmed? And the answer to that is no, the pattern is not confirmed. Okay, in order for the pattern to confirm, the stock has to break below and close below the neckline. Okay, and the neckline is going to be at the bottom of these two shoulders. Right, so in order for me to find the neckline, I flip to a line chart and I'm able to find it, right? And basically it's where that heavy level of support or resistance is at, right? So right now it's support to some degree. It was resistance back here, but once it broke above, broke down back here, but right along here, it maintained it. So for me, in my charting, in my opinion, this neckline sits around 113, 114. So that's what I would be looking for this stock to continue breaking down to confirm the pattern. So when and if JPM breaks below the 114-ish with a full close below it, right? Closes at the end of the day on the daily chart below that, that to me is confirmation that this pattern has completed its formation. And we have a truly formed head and shoulders pattern. So right now the pattern is strong and it's formed, but in my eyes, it hasn't confirmed yet. So for me, it goes on a watch list, and I just continue to watch how JPM plays out. But that is what a head and shoulders pattern is, the technical analysis behind it, and the fact that you now understand that it is a bullish to bearish trend reversal chart.